For us at Pernod Ricard India, water is a critical human right, and we are committed to ensure that deprived communities not only have access but ownership of clean drinking water. With a network of innovative hub and spoke water ATMs, we aim to eliminate waterborne diseases and ensure that people, especially women, save time, efforts, and resources in fetching water for their households by bringing affordable water ATMs at their doorstep. It all starts at the Hub, a water purification plant with the filtration capacity of up to 2000 liters per hour, equipped with RO and UV technology. The average production at these plants is more than 20,000 liters per day, and the water produced is compliant with WHO standards of purity. Through a multi-staged, fully automated process, we ensure that water remains untouched, without any contaminations and with low TDS levels. Each hub is linked with multiple spokes or water ATMs installed deep in the community settlements where water is carried with the help of secure water tanks. The water ATMs are a specialized solar power ring structures capable of operating off the grid. And a large number of these water ATMs also have recharge pits to ensure wastewater seeps into the ground. Each water ATM is also provided with a robust RFID withdrawal and remote monitoring system, which allows constant quality and usage check from anywhere in the world. With an expansive network of 9 to 10 water ATMs in each location, clean water is only a stone's throw away for everyone in the community. Our efforts do not end merely at providing the infrastructure. Community ownership is the most critical aspect of the program, where key groups such as women, decision makers and elderly are appraised of waterborne diseases caused by contaminated water and are encouraged to use water ATMs and ensure proper storage of potable water at homes.
तो हमारे गांव में तो सब लोग वो ट्यूबवेल और वेल में से पानी ले रहे थे, तो अभी जब से ये पानी का आयोजन किया गया है तो हमारे सब यहाँ इसी एटीएम से पानी ले रहे हैं और हम भी ले रहे हैं। वो पहले हमें थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रही थी, वो तो अभी वो सब नहीं हो रहा है। मैं भी ले रही हूँ और बाकी सब लोगों को भी कह रही हूँ। वो 30 पैसा में 1 लीटर पानी आ जाता है, तो हम ले जाते हैं, 7-8 लीटर हो जाता है दिन में। लेकिन हमारे गांव में ये एक ऐसा सुविधा है तो हमें बहुत फ़ायदा हो रहा है इस चीज़ का। तो बहुत कम पैसा में भी ये पानी मिल रहा है, तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
Our strong evidence-based programs near PRI plants and beyond in areas of special needs such as Niti Aayog's aspirational districts are innovatively tailored to take in account of day-to-day vulnerabilities of people and communities in various circumstances and ensure that as we move forward, we leave no one behind and create shared value.